Hello there, welcome to the Boss TV. I hope you're all good. There is some good news that are circulating around that Tanzania and Burundi agreed to start a $2 billion SGR project. Before we go on, let's see the relations between Tanzania and Burundi. These countries have bilateral relations. Burundi is a strategic partner of Tanzania in many areas, particularly trade. Since Burundi is a landlocked country, almost 80% of its goods are moved through by road from Salaam port. Tanzania has also been a strategic partner in mediating the political tensions in the country. Both countries are members of the African Union. Now, coming back to the project, Tanzania Railway Corporation has signed $2.13 billion construction contract with Chinese consortium to build a key section of electric standard gauge railway linking Tanzania and Burundi. The agreement, financed by the African Development Bank, was signed in Dar es Salaam between Tanzania Railway Corporation and the consortium of China Railway Construction Engineering Group and China Railway Major Bridge Group. The project is expected to be completed within 72 months, including 12-month review period. The new line will extend 282 kilometers, approximately 175 miles, from Uvinza in Kigoma to Musongati in Burundi. It will branch off from the existing Tabora-Kigoma SGR line at Uvinza, cross the Malagarasi River at the border and connect to Musongati, eventually reaching Gitega in Burundi. Tanzania and Burundi entered into an agreement to collaborate on the construction of the railway linking Uvinza to Musongati. Under the agreement, Tanzania Railway Corporation has been designated as the implementing agency for the multinational project, which involves design and construction of a 282 kilometers electrified railway line. This is part of the second phase of SGR development, following the signing of the 6th segment contract from Tabora to Kigoma in December 2022. The implementation now covers 3 out of 4 sections of the second phase of railway construction. The first phase of railway project extends from Dar es Salaam to Mwanza, while the second phase covers Tabora to Kigoma and its branches. The construction of the Tabora-Kigoma section is progressing, with completion currently at 7.12%. The progress has facilitated the implementation of the Uvinza-Musongati segment, as it would have been impossible to begin the Musongati extension without first completing the Tabora-Kigoma stretch. The 282 kilometers of Uvinza-Musongati segment includes 240 kilometers of main track and 42 kilometers of passing loops. As part of the project, a 1 kilometer long bridge connecting Tanzania and Burundi will be constructed. This bridge is designed to accommodate both rail and road transport. The project includes 7 passenger stations and freight depot. China Railway Construction Engineering Group has a long-standing history in Africa. 5 decades ago, CRCEG was involved in constructing the 1,860 kilometers Tanzania-Zambia Railway, TAZARA, overcoming significant challenges and strengthening relations between China and Tanzania. This project is a crucial step toward regional integration. This railway is expected to link with other East African networks as well as the Southern African system, strengthening connectivity across the continent. This investment is one of the largest transport projects on the continent. So there you have it, Burundi and Tanzania joint SGR project. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, share and subscribe to the Boss TV. Thank you for watching and see you next time, my friend. Until then, as always, Bye-bye.